Let us now study error in the product of two quantities. Okay, that means if we multiply two numbers, okay, what will be the errors there, or two measured values? So let's see this topic here. Same like the other topics, but there's a small difference there. Okay, so first we'll take let delta A comma delta B be the absolute errors. Okay, be absolute errors in A and B. Okay, this is the first step you write every time. The next one, you see measured value of A. Okay, the measured value of A, that's equal to A plus or minus delta A. Similarly, measured value of B, that's equal to B plus or minus delta B. Okay. Now what you must do, you must take that, consider the product. Okay, consider the product multiplication now. So product is Z is equal to A into B. Z is equal to AB. Okay. Now let's take the error also now. So Z plus or minus delta Z will be equal to, you must multiply this A into B now. So we have here A plus or minus delta A into B, that is B plus or minus delta B. Okay. So multiply this way. A into B is AB, it will come. Next you multiply this way. Okay. So first we'll do this step. So what we get is A into B is AB. Okay. So first I did this A into B. Next A into this delta B. So plus or minus A into delta B. Then this step. So B into delta A. So plus or minus B into delta A. Then this one plus or minus delta A into plus or minus delta B. That's the same thing. Okay. Multiply this. Delta A into delta B. Okay, the step we get. Now let's see what we get is Z plus or minus delta Z will get. Okay. Now what we do, divide the left side by Z and right side by AB. Okay, so divide left hand side by Z and the right hand side by AB. Okay, because Z is equal to AB now. Okay, so let's see this and we'll see what we get now. So what you get is Z plus or minus delta Z by, okay, Z will do division afterwards. First write, copy this down. AB plus or minus A into delta B plus or minus B into delta A plus or minus delta A into delta B. Okay, so divide. So left side by Z. This is also by Z. Right side by AB. This by AB. Everywhere AB you must divide. Okay, AB. This also by AB. Okay, so let's see what we get now. Z and Z will cancel. We get here 1. Okay, AB will cancel. We get here 1. This side A cancels and then A cancels here. B cancels here. B cancels. Okay, but this step we can't do. Last one. This is delta A and this is A. Okay, so that's difference here. So let me write this down here. So what we get is 1. Okay, 1 is there now. Then plus or minus delta Z by Z is equal to, right side you get here 1. Okay, then this topic, this one, plus or minus delta B by B. Okay, then plus or minus this one, delta A by A. Then plus or minus delta A by A. Okay, what it is, I split and write. Okay, into delta B by B. Okay, now you notice that delta A by A is small and delta B by B is also small. Okay, so now delta A by A, okay, and delta B by B very small. Okay, they are small. So what happens is delta A by A into delta B by B is very small. Neglect it. Okay, you neglect. Okay, neglect it. So neglect it. What happens is this 1 and 1 will cancel now. Okay, left side cancels. So we get here delta Z by Z is equal to, so this topic cancels. Okay, last one cancels here. So we get here, we can rearrange and write also. So that is plus or minus. Here plus or minus was there. Okay, delta A by A plus or minus delta B by B. Okay, so what you do, we take positive quantity here. So plus delta Z by Z is equal to here, but you take plus or minus outside. Okay, plus or minus delta A by A plus will take plus delta B by B. Okay, so this is one topic we get. Okay, so what happens is, now you see plus positive quantity we are taking here. Okay, so plus or minus you multiply inside, plus or minus will come, and plus into plus is plus, minus into plus will come minus, so you get plus or minus inside also. Okay, so this we say is a fractional error. This is a maximum fractional error. So the maximum fractional error in Z is equal to sum of the individual fractional errors. Okay, this is the error of plot of two quantities. Thank you for watching.